Okay, I finally have the battery monitor working correctly. So you can see when I have the charger on now, it has a little red arrow where it's charging, and then when I cut it off, then it discharges. So now it's working correctly. We'll get it. Hi, I'm Tony.
And I'm Kathy.
And welcome to our adventures on Dreamweaver.
I wanted to take a moment to thank all of our subscribers for following along on our adventure. About 84% of you viewers are not subscribed to the channel. About 50% of you watch from a TV or computer just like I do when I watch YouTube. I know it is harder to subscribe on the TV or computer, so I have created a QR code that you can point your phone's camera at and click the link to go directly to the subscription page. It is free to subscribe and really helps Tony and Kathy to keep the channel going. So I hope you will subscribe, and now back to the show.
Done correctly, and so finally had to run the wires back to the floor again, and then down to the batteries. On the batteries, I found out that this wire here goes to the panel itself. That's a negative, so that's on the load. And then this wire that goes back here, that actually goes to the battery charger. And it also has to be on the load side. And then this wire connects the two banks of batteries together. And I think this wire here is actually the wire for the ground for the windlass. So finally got it figured out. It took a while, and of course we got the shunt in, got it all wired up. Everything seems to be working great. We got the also the temperature monitor installed right in there. So anyway, should be working good now. So I've been looking for where the water. I keep getting some water in the bilge. See it down there some. So anyway, it's hard trying to figure out what in the world, where's that water coming from. But I noticed I kept hearing the water pump, the fresh water pump for the boat, for the water for the everything in the boat. And I felt out all the lines, having a hard time finding anything. Right here, I was looking right here, and I could see a drip. Saw a drip right there. You'll see it. There it is. So it's dripping, and come to find out, it's this line right here. This line right here is wet right there. So it's leaking in this hose clamp. Alright, so anyway, so I'm back down here with the water leak, and this line right here, I don't know if you can see it. See if I can get the light where you can see it. Right there. Yeah, so I turned the hose clamp around. They got a hose clamp on it. And turned it around and tightened it up. And I think, oops, I did see another drop just in. I gotta see if that's gonna be it or not. I might have to tighten it up some more. So here we are again. Where we at, Kat?
At Cooper's Tavern.
Cooper's. All right, so we have to get something different off the menu. You know, every time we come, we get something different. So you're not gonna believe who we ran into. You come in here and it's always celebrities in here. And this time we really ran into a big one. Guess what? Here he is. John. Hello. John Winslow. This is our waitress, and she's waited on us before. How you doing? Yes.
Thank you.
So anyway, so we're gonna have some dinner and at Cooper's, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. So John, you got anything to say? I know you're a man of many words. I mean, I recorded 3 the whole time I've known you in about 4 years.
No, I'm hungry. Excited to try this place.
Awesome. And you still available? I mean, I always put that up on the screen every time for the girls. So.
I'm never available.
Never available. Unless he's got a big cat and he's somebody to help us out, right?
There you go.
All right, so we're gonna look, see what we're gonna have tonight. It's gonna be fun. So glad to run into John again.
Next episode on Dreamweaver
Okay, here's our
recipe.
new pulsar 4,000 watt inverter. So this thing is pretty cool. I like it so far. It comes with a wheel pack. You get wheels that go on the back, and then also it has the ability to have this handle, so you can pick it up and roll it around.